How to create logo in Picsart. Need a clean, unique logo? Here's how to create one from scratch in Picsart. Begin with a blank canvas. Use 1000 into 1000 pixel for a square layout. Use shapes or the draw tool to build your logo's foundation, circles, lines, or custom cards. Click text to add your brand name or initials. Explore bold and minimalist fonts for a professional look. Customize colors, alignment, and layer effects like shadows or gradients. When your design feels complete, export your logo in PNG format with transparent background. Do you prefer word-based logos or symbol-based ones? Let us know in the comments below. Keep it simple. A great logo should be recognizable even at small sizes. And that's how you can create logo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.